It's Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and time for another Nature to Go. This time we have a bonus episode for you. Something that is sort of a classic Dodge treat, Dandelion Fritters. And to help show you how to make your own Dandelion Fritters, I have my coworker Mick with me today.
Hello.
And you're going to get to learn how to do it right now, right here.
What you'll need a mixing bowl, 1 cup measuring cup, and a 1/2 cup measuring cup. You're going to need pancake mix, the kind where all you have to do is add water, some salt, some sugar, a bowl or a plate that you've lined with paper towels, and a couple of forks, and then something for doing the frying in. Now you could use a regular pan. We've got an electric fry pan. You don't need real deep oil, just maybe like 1 inch or so of oil that you're heating up to about 350 degrees.
So, we're going to make our batter. Add water pancake mix is perfect. We're going to do 1 cup pancake mix. And then officially, they say you're supposed to do 2/3 of a cup of water. I actually like it. I think it works better if the pancake batter is a little thicker. So we're not going to go a full 2/3 of a cup. We kind of just add some water until it gets to be kind of a thicker. So they're kind of a thicker batter. The nice thing about this is you can just keep adding. If you go all crazy and want to keep making them, you can just keep adding pancake mix until your batter is right. Try to get most of your lumps out. So this is maybe a little thicker, maybe. And you can experiment a little bit. Now, where your choice of flavoring comes in, some people like them sweet, some people like them salty. Either way, I think adding just a little bit of salt helps with the flavoring. So we're going to call that batter good. Looks kind of thick pancake batter. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Again, this is not super scientific. There we go, a little bit of salt. And we're going to make this batch a sweet batch. So we're going to add just a little bit of sugar too. And you can get fancier, you can, Alright. So, we have our batter. We went and picked dandelions. They can be closed. You want them nice and open. The more open they are, the more aesthetically pleasing the whole process is. You can rinse them off but be aware, if you rinse them off, they sometimes will start to close up. Make sure you pick dandelions from a spot that no herbicides, no pesticides, no dog urine. Pick nice, clean, good-looking dandelions. So we picked some beautiful dandelions, nice and open, ready to be battered. We want them looking nice. You don't want ones that are eaten, ones that are stepped on. Have them be beautiful. They'll make yummier food. So all we do then is we throw some in our batter, and truly we just use our fork and we kind of just help cover them up, trying to keep track of how many there are in there, because sometimes you forget. And now we're using a electric fryer. You could use a Fry Daddy, you could use a frying pan. We've set this at 350 degrees. It works great for frying. The oil is hot, and so now all we do, I can hear it crackling. You kind of take your dandelion and we gently put it in the batter or in the oil. So I put 5 in the batter. You'll notice they're starting to get nice and golden brown. And then with your fork, once they start to get brown, you can kind of flip them. They're kind of like a weird little donut. Oh, look at those. The little leavings are also edible. It's just fried dough at this point. A little bit longer. You want them nice and golden brown. Alright, so they are golden brown at this point, and then you just pull them out, put them in your bowl with paper towel to dry off the extra grease. They are going to be incredibly hot. Do not eat them right away. At this point, this is where you can decide if you want a salty batch or a sweet batch. We're going to go with a sweet batch. I'm going to take powdered sugar, works great. Other sugar works great. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. And now you have some sweet dandelion fritters. So, it's an amazing, yummy, delicious treat. Already we had preschoolers coming by, scarfing them down. Farm employees coming by, scarfing them down. Deep fried dandelions. A Dodge tradition. Yummy, delicious, yummy. So good. So good.